Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dr. Online 24/7. Today I'm going to tell you about filariasis. Filariasis is a parasitic disease caused by thread-like worms, filarial worms, that are spread through mosquito bites. The most common type is lymphatic filariasis, which affects the lymphatic system and can lead to severe swelling of body parts. Causes of filariasis. Filariasis is caused mainly by these parasites: Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia malayi, Brugia timori. Mosquitoes carry the larvae from one infected person to another. Common symptoms of filariasis. Many people may not show symptoms early. When symptoms appear, they can include early symptoms: fever, swollen lymph nodes, pain or tenderness in limbs, skin infections, fatigue. Advanced symptoms: severe swelling of legs, arms, breasts, or genitals, elephantiasis. Thickened, hard skin. Hydrocele, swelling of the scrotum in men. Difficulty moving affected limbs. Homeopathic treatment of filariasis. Some people use homeopathy alongside supportive care for symptom relief. Homeopathic practitioners may mention remedies such as Apis mellifica, used for swelling and burning sensations. Arsenicum album, suggested for weakness or restlessness. Lycopodium, used for chronic swelling or digestive symptoms. Calcarea florica, suggested for hardened tissues. That's it for today. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching Dr. Online 24/7 by Dr. Sanabawani. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.